Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see few questions based on average speed for year 6 students. Let's get started. Average speed. Osman swims a total of 50 meters in 2 minutes. He swims an average of dash meters in 1 minute. I need to calculate that because I need to calculate the answer for 1 minute. It is given to us as 2 minutes. Let's write down here. In 2 minutes, he is covering 50 meters. In 1 minute, how much distance he will cover? How do you reach from 2 to 1? Which operation are you going to do? Divided by 2, right? Divided by 2. The same operation you have to do it on the right hand side also, divided by 2. It will be 50 divided by 2. If you divide it, your answer will be equal to 25 meter. How do we divide it? 50, if I have to divide it with 2, 2 is one digit. I will look for the first digit here. This is 5, which is more than 2. I can easily divide it. 2 times 2 is 4, which is less than 5. It will be 2 here and it will be 4 here. If we are subtracted, my answer will be 5 minus 4 is 1. This 0 will come down and it will be 0 here. 10 is more than 2 and it is easily divisible by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's write down the answer here as 5 times 2 is 10 minus, if you subtract it, your answer will be 0 here. That's why your answer is 25 meters. He swims an average of 25 meter in 1 minute. His average speed is dash meter per minute. My average speed will become 25 meter per minute. That will be written as 25 meter per minute. You have to write down your answer like this, meter per minute. Average speed will be given by total distance travelled divided by total time taken. You can write it in this form also, like in this division, total distance travelled divided by total time taken. The unit of the speed is either kilometer per hour or meter per second, or you can say meter per minute. Let's see one example here. A flock of birds flew 225 kilometers in 3 hours. Find their average speed in kilometer per hour. What is given to us? Because it is 225 kilometers, that means they have given you distance. Distance is 225 kilometers. 3 hours. This is hours, so this is time. So time is 3 hours. I need to calculate the average speed. Speed will be given by distance over time. Distance over time. What is my distance? My distance is 225 kilometer. My time is 3 hours. My answer will be in kilometer per hour. Do I have to calculate the answer in kilometer per hour? Yes, right? I have to find out my speed in kilometer per hour. So this will give me my answer. 225 divided by 3. I need to divide it. Let's divide it here. 225 divided by 3. 3 is a one digit number. If I look at the first digit, this is 2, which is lower than 3. I can't divide it. I have to take double digit here, 22. If I divide 22 divided by 3, it will be divisible by 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Let's divide it here with 7. It will be 21. If you subtract it, 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 5 will come down and it will be 15 here. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 3 times 5, if I do it, it will be 15 here. And if you subtract it, your answer is 0. My answer will be 75 kilometer per hour. That will be my speed. Let's see the next question here. Calli takes 3 minutes to swim a distance of 75 meters. Find her average speed in meter per minute. 3 minutes, that means it is minutes. They have given you time. Time is 3 minutes. Distance they have given you 75 meters. I have to calculate the average speed. As we know that speed is given by distance over time. This will be given as 75 is my distance, which is in meter, divided by time is in 3 minutes. Do I have to calculate my answer in meter per minute? Yes, right? I have to calculate my answer in meter per minute. So this will give me my answer. 75 divided by 3. I need to divide it. Let's divide it here. 75 divided by 3. 3 is a one digit number. If I look at the first digit, this is 7, which is more than 3. It is easily divisible by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. Let's write down here 2 and it will be 6 here. If you subtract it, that will be 1. 5 will come down. 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Let's write down here 5. 5 times 3 is 15. If you subtract it, your answer will be equal to 0. My answer will be 25 meter per minute. That will be my answer. Let's see the third question here. An aeroplane is flying at an average speed of 885 km per hour in 2 hours. What is the distance it will cover? I have to calculate the distance. What is given to us? They have given you average speed 885 km per hour. They have given you time also 2 hours. So the unit is same. Here it is hour, here it is hour. That means you can easily divide it or you can multiply that. I have to find out the answer of the distance. Distance is given by speed multiplied by time. Let's write down here speed multiplied by time. Speed is given by 885 km per hour multiplied by time is 2 hours. Hour will got cancelled with hour and you will get the answer in kilometer. 885 multiplied by 2. This will be written as 885 multiplied by 2. My answer will be in kilometer. Let's split this number as 800 plus 80 plus 5 and this is multiplied by 2, which will be written as 800 multiplied by 2 plus 80 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2. 8 times 2 is 16 with double zeros here. 8 times 2 is 16 with 1 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Let's write down the answer here. This will be 16 and double zero. This will be 16 and 1 0 and plus this will be 10. I have to add it. 1600, 160 and I have to add 10. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1. 1770 kilometer. My answer will be 1770 kilometer. This is the distance the aeroplane covered it. Let's see the next question here. Bala walked 240 meter at an average speed of 80 meter per minute along Orchard Road. How long did he take to cover this distance? They have given you the speed which is 80 meter per minute. They have given you the distance as 240 meters. Do they have given you the same unit, meters? Yes, I have given the same unit. That means I can divide it. I need to calculate the time. Time will be given as distance over speed. Let's write down here. Time will be written as distance over speed. Let's write down here distance over speed, which will be given as distance is 240 meter divided by speed is 80 meter per minute. 0 got cancelled from 0 here. That will be equal to 24 divided by 8. This will be written as meter over meter multiplied by the minutes. Minutes will go up. Meter got cancelled from meter. 24 divided by 8. If you apply the 8 times table, 8 times 3 is 24. That will be equal to 3 minutes. My answer is given as 3 minutes. How long did he take to cover? Long means I need to calculate the time. So time is 3 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.